Welcome to the video. In this video you will learn a few basic things about the assessment process, impact, and results. Assessment is the process of gathering and discussing information from multiple and diverse sources in order to develop a deep understanding of what learners know, understand, and can do with their knowledge as a result of their educational experiences. That process culminates when assessment results are used to improve learning. It is the process of defining, selecting, designing, collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and using information to increase learners' development. Sometimes assessments can be just simply asking a learner to answer a question in class or complete an online questionnaire. No matter the process, the educator measures learner knowledge of the topic, obtains valuable data on the learners, and then uses the data to modify and adjust education or training. The best formative assessment tools help learners make self-reflection of their own learning. If learners have devices in the classroom, there are various ways to assess the learners, from having them take a survey or a questionnaire to actively participating in a discussion session. Asking learners to answer questions in class can take a lot of time. Using a digital form of assessment, all learners have to answer the same questions, and everyone has a voice and time to answer. The learners will also get quick feedback so that they can adjust and improve their learning style. Learners can also take control of their own learning. In many of the applications, learners can take an active part in helping create the questions and be engaged in the discussions. Some of the applications have possibilities for the learners to compete against each other, which presents an interactive type of learning. The nice thing about formative assessments is that they don't have to be graded. They should be used during learning or training and leave the summative assessment for the final product. We also have the summative assessment tools. Summative assessment tools are the final essays and tests given at the end of a project, course, semester, unit, program, or training. Educators use these to evaluate learner learning by comparing performance to a benchmark. These are high-stakes exams with a high point value that figure heavily into a learner's grades.